Welcome to the Zemits family. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to use your new device to achieve optimal skincare results. The Zemits SonoSilk Ultrasonic Scrubber is an advanced skincare device designed to enhance daily skincare routines. Utilizing high-frequency ultrasonic vibrations, it offers a non-invasive and effective way to deeply cleanse, exfoliate, and nourish the skin. Before we begin the treatment, let's prepare your new device for operation. Detach the back cover by swiping it up. Add distilled water into the bottle that comes in the set. Open the cap at the transparent container on the back of the device and infuse the water from the bottle into the device's container. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Press the power button again to activate only spraying with no ultrasound. Press the power button again to activate clean mode with spraying and ultrasound vibrations. Press the power button again to activate ultra mode with no spraying but only ultrasound vibrations. Press the power button again to activate nutrition mode with no spraying but pulse ultrasound vibrations. Clean mode and ultra mode are both used for exfoliation. Clean mode combines spraying with ultrasonic vibrations for a thorough exfoliation of the entire face. Ultra mode is ideal for use in the T-zone. Apply more pressure in the T-zone to effectively extract impurities and blackheads. Nutrition mode is specifically designed for infusion. For this treatment, use a serum suitable for your skin type and hold the spatula flat against the skin during the process. Important to know, ultrasound is conducted through a contact medium layer. That is why statistics shows that ultrasonic exfoliation is 96% more effective when the skin is moistened with liquid. Zemits SonoSilk has a revolutionary design with a built-in port for water-based products. SonoSilk sprays water during the treatment. This allows the operator to keep the skin moistened for the duration of the peeling step without having to stop to remoisten. Constant skin hydration leads to better exfoliation and rejuvenation results. SonoSilk also emits a 430 nanometer blue LED light for the duration of the treatment that helps treat acne-prone, oily, and inflamed skin. To spray the water through the nano sprayer port, you need to hold the device with spatula pointed down. Now, let's start your ultrasonic peeling treatment protocol. Makeup removal. Begin by removing any makeup from the face to ensure the skin is clean and free from any cosmetic products. Continue with a double cleanse to thoroughly clean the skin. The first cleanse removes surface-level impurities, such as dirt, oil, and residual makeup, while the second cleanse provides deeper cleansing, reaching into the pores to eliminate any remaining impurities. Deep cleansing. Perform a thorough cleansing of the skin to remove dirt, oil, and impurities. Toning. Apply a toner to balance the skin's pH level. Ultrasonic peeling. Ensure the skin remains moist throughout the treatment. You can use Zemits serums and take advantage of the built-in sprayer in the scrubber, which is very convenient. Hold the device with the spatula facing up, with the convex part of the spatula pointed upwards. Work at a 45-degree angle to the skin surface, following the massage lines from the center of the face to the periphery. Keep the spatula in constant motion without applying too much pressure. Do not exceed 4 passes on the same line. This step typically takes 10-15 minutes. Additional mechanical cleansing. If necessary, complement the ultrasonic peeling with manual extraction of individual elements. Pore closing mask. Apply a mask to help close the pores and soothe the skin. Toning. Reapply toner to the skin to restore its balance. Final cream with SPF. Apply a finishing cream with SPF to protect the skin from UV damage. Cleaning the spatula. After the treatment, clean the spatula from any remaining gel and disinfect it. Frequency of ultrasonic peeling. For dry skin, once every 1.52 months. For oily skin, once every 3 to 4 weeks. For problematic skin, once every 10 to 14 days for 2 months, then once a month. By following this protocol, you can ensure a thorough and effective ultrasonic peeling treatment, maintaining the health and appearance of your skin. If you are using the scrubber at home by yourself, the treatment protocol will remain the same. Follow the steps for makeup removal, deep cleansing, toning, and ultrasonic peeling, ensuring your skin stays moist by using Zemits serums and the built-in sprayer. Continue with additional mechanical cleansing if necessary, antiseptic treatment, applying a pore-closing mask, retoning, and finishing with a cream that contains SPF. Finally, clean and disinfect the spatula after each use. This ensures you achieve professional-level results in the comfort of your home. Thank you for choosing the Zemits SonoSilk Ultrasonic Scrubber. We hope this guide has helped you feel confident in using your new device. Remember, taking time for your skincare is not just about looking good, but also about feeling great and nurturing yourself. Enjoy your journey to healthier, glowing skin. Happy skincare.